This is an exhibition called Moving Stories, and it's looking at where we go next when we tell stories. We want local stories. Wakefield Storytellers celebrate some of the stories that we gathered in 2022. We went out on lots and lots of different events. We talked to a lot of people from right across the district, and we worked with artist Tom Bailey, who sketched a lot of them out into cartoons. We've animated some of them and added in some oral history as well to give them a bit more context. And it's the kind of direction that we're taking the museum in, so very much people feel like they've got some stronger connection and they can identify themselves with the history of the district. So Museum of the Future explores our plans so far for the museum at BHS in the centre of town. So it's a whole new site. It's going to be completely refurbished. It's a lot bigger than we are here, so there's an opportunity to tell a lot more stories. And the fact it's in the centre of town means that we're hopefully opening ourselves up to a big audience right next to the cathedral. We want to show people what we've thought of so far and get feedback on it as well. Also in that section is a film called Restoring Dennis, all about our Dennis fire engine, which the new site is going to allow us to display it for the first time ever. Dennis went out for a couple of site visits across the district in the summer last year. We're hopefully going to do a few more this year. We're very proud of him, and we put an awful lot of work into restoring him, so cleaning him up, and this film gives you a little taster of the work that's gone in so far. And that leads nicely into the story station, which is an opportunity for people to feed back on it, and we want to know what people think. What do you want to see in your museum? So there's a voting system. We've got gold, silver and bronze for people to choose which topics that are their favourites. What kind of objects do you want to see? How do you want the displays to look? What's important to you? What stories do you want to see in there? What themes do you want to see in there? But it's also really hands-on. There's a lot of creative stuff, a lot of playful things as well, crafty stuff for kids to get involved with, to give their feedback, tell us their stories. It's a chance for everybody to have a say. Moving Stories has got something for everyone.